Hi, welcome to Yosemite Science. Today we're asking, what goes squeak in the night? My name is Cory, Senior Naturalist for Yosemite Conservancy. Yosemite is home to 17 different bat species. In fact, we have the largest diversity of bats in North America. Some of these bats have very technical scientific names, like little brown bat. We also have a big brown bat. We have Mexican free-tailed bats, spotted bats, North America's largest bat, the western mastiff bat, all sorts of bats that call Yosemite home.
When looking at the cliffs of Yosemite, for us on the valley floor, it can be difficult to understand how rugged this landscape is. It's riddled with cracks and crevices that is perfect habitat for bat species. And what National Park Service scientists have done is they've reached out to the climbing community to ask them to help with the vital research in protecting Yosemite bats. And basically what the climbers are doing is as they're climbing the cliffs, they're looking for identifiers that bats have been in that area. And they can report back to the scientists, and scientists can start to identify potential areas that bats are roosting, or also, and most importantly, where bat species are potentially hibernating. But we are also funding rock climbing scientists here in the park. We have National Park Service scientists that are scaling the cliffs and doing surveys of bat habitat to better help protect these species.
Bat populations throughout the world are threatened by what's called white nose syndrome. It's a fungus that gets on the noses of bats and can wake them up during their hibernation, and we're seeing bat populations being decimated throughout North America. And unfortunately, it's only a matter of time until white nose syndrome comes to our bat populations here in Yosemite.
Yosemite Conservancy is funding the science that is looking at specific areas that are prime habitat for our bat species. And this is really important to better understand where our bats are roosting and hibernating potentially in the wintertime. That's going to be our first line of defense in protecting our bats from white nose syndrome.